Left of Heinz Ward. Like, how does this dude keep getting open? Like, he didn't get open that game.
Nope.
He had a claw on him.
No.
They're having my baby, but I tell you that I'm happy if you want me to. What they got y'all listen to in there? Ziggy started this?
I don't even know what it is. Half the time it's just instrumental stuff. It's always annoying. Elevator music, pretty much.
You like elevator music?
No. Especially when you listen to it.
Yeah, that's right.
You don't get sleepy, do you?
Yeah, y'all, that's gonna do it.
We don't get sleepy. It's more of an annoyance than anything. How do you feel about hard parts?
Hard parts?
Yeah. Not a fan of them?
Well, right now they're not trending. That's what you're asking. And I don't mind them. I don't see anything wrong with them.
Yeah, I'm just picking on if I want to get it or not.
The hard part, or something like that, that might work.
Kanye's going off the deep end again. So whatever that was.
What, swastika? Or you talking about showing up at
Yeah, but it's all the schemes and stuff like that.
and I'm thinking to my old life. You like that part?
Who was the heat at the moment, bro? My grandma. Once you start hurting, what I'm saying is, I'm not studying. This is my dream. Yeah.
He's out here wearing already too.
Oh my god. He be trolling, man. I ain't about to do no like
He gonna throw you in.
I'm telling you.
50s ain't better than that yet, that's all.
No, for sure.
You know, when you got a dude like that, he ain't better than that yet.
Yeah.